Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off Windows privacy setting in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your settings. Now go to Privacy and Security. Now scroll down. Here you can see voice activation. You just have to click on this. Now you can see here, let apps access voice activation services. You have to turn off this button. So this is how you can turn off Windows privacy settings in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.